Greetings to the organizers and delegates present there and also participants. Myself, I am Gopichan from Department of Agriculture Extension, University of Agriculture Sciences, Bangalore. I am working under the guidance of Dr. V.L. Madhuprasad. Coming to my research topic, research productivity of the farm scientist, measurement and its application. Indian National Agriculture Research System is one of the largest agricultural research system in the world with respect to human resource and as well as infrastructure. Here, national institutes and state agricultural universities, many directorates are working for the research improvement to address the farmers' needs of India. Here, when we are searching for the research research problems, actually, we have noticed that there is a lot of gap between the research productivity of the farm scientists. Then, when we come to how it can be measured, then we have noticed a few studies here. I want to mention in a brief. In 1940, Faris has studied sociological causes of the genius. In 1951, Rowe has studied social relations that affecting the research productivity of the scientists. In 1981, Ramesh has noticed 11 factors that influence the research productivity of the scientists. In 1985, Jhansi Rani has studied research productivity in terms of research, teaching, and extension. 2005, Fish has studied H index. In 2006, Egg has studied G index. In 2007, Jin has studied AR index. And in 2009, Altman has studied CP index. These are all based on the citations. In 2012, Paul has studied research productivity index. It is a composite index type of measurement. I have adopted this technique to my study. The components or dimensions of this research productivity index are as follows. Publications. Different type of publications were included and they are scored in this, such as research papers published, books, book chapters, all these were included in this publication. And the novel products developed, all the IPR related items were included in this. Coming to the projects, interinstitutional projects, different government agency funded projects, all these projects were categorized and scored in this dimension of the research productivity index. Coming to the teaching, this is the other way of taking our research productivity to the students in the form of manuals and also guiding the students, masters and doctoral students. This dimension addresses this component. And extension, it will take the innovations to the farmers in the form of field days and other components like publication in the vernacular languages. All these were included. Coming to the last component of the research productive index, that is awards and recognition. At the national level, international awards and also recognition by the societies, scientific bodies, all these were included. I have selected the 6 universities in one of the southern state of Karnataka. 6 universities, we have located the research stations that exist that are distributed all over the Karnataka. Coming to the results, to represent the result, I have taken few. Let me take spotlight. To represent the result, I have taken a few important indicators from each dimension. Here we use NAS rating instead of impact factor. NAS rating is popularly used NAS rating. We can say one impact factor is equal to 7 NAS rating. And intellectual property rights, external projects, students guided, field days, awards, editorial board members. From left to right, it will go from very low category to very high categories. Here we can notice the editorial members, awards received, field days, students guided, IPR, very low category is prominent. You can notice that. And below the average, in the external projects, below the average, almost all the categories are equal. But coming to their publication, the very low category is higher. This shows that even though they are working, they are not publishing to the extent that they are working. In this way, we can recommend to the university, and also they are very low category students guided editorial board members. In this way, we can recommend the policymakers to formulate the program to improve the scientific performance through publishing high NAS rated journals, IPR, etc. And hence we can improve the research productivity dimensions of the farm scientists of this different cadre. Here, different cadres means professors, associate, and assistant professors need different skills due to their age gap, gender gap, or some other thing. Thank you. This is the presentation.